Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp on your phone. This means no more blue ticks, so people won't know when you've read their messages. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Next, go to Privacy. Now scroll down, and here you'll find an option called Read Receipts. By default, this is turned on. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. And that's it. Now, when you read someone's message, those blue ticks will not appear. But there are two important things you should know. First, when you turn this off, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. And second, this does not work in group chats. In WhatsApp groups, read receipts will always stay on. So even if you disable it, people can still see if you've read group messages. That's it. Now you can read messages privately on WhatsApp without anyone knowing. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android tips.